Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog, our very special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So anyway, guys, on today I'm shooting this video at the same time I'm celebrate my birthday, guys, in advance. So thank you so much for clicking my videos, from the vibe to the end. So anyway, guys, this is how everything is, and that's how my house looks like. So technically right now, guys, I went to make some shopping here and there, actually for my birthday celebration, maybe including juice or soda. I know like soda are not like advisable to take every day, but we have a large family at large, so I'm supposed to buy sodas here and there, and some boxes of biscuits. Anyway, guys, at the same time you will see the cake, guys, so thank you so much, guys, by keep supporting me, watching my videos here and there. And I myself, I was working so hard, right, left, center, to make sure that my family put something on table. So anyway, guys, let's move on. So that's how everything is. And wow, so I want to close my house right now. So I'm telling you, guys, let me show you for the Christmas mode, guys, for the Christmas mode. Oh, my sister, stand up. At the same time, this is Bruno. Wow. Stand up. Hey. If you hold your sister like this, you are matching with your sister. Matching. Oh, guys, so this is my sister here. Say hello.
Hello.
Come on, this because of the light. Say hello.
Hello.
That's my sister with a small like pouch, new hairstyle, new clothes, and also at the same time, man, look, new shoes. Hey, and it's shining like a gold, man. Look. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the family of Aisha and twin sister. You made it possible. You bought my sisters like new clothes, new shoes, hairstyle. Man, thank you so much. Go and check Aisha Wine and also twin sister. He was a good friend of mine. Sister, come and say, like, how do you feel? Najisikiaje?
Vizuri.
Najisikia vizuri. Right now, guys, apart from Aisha's family or twin sister's family, the rest entire of my world, you are my good family. You keep supporting a lot. My sister, she had a bicycle. Right now, she wear good like a boss kid. Man, it's true by God's grace. And also, she had a bicycle. Look the way she was marching. Okay, you can walk. Okay, turn this way, you walk. Nenda kwa nyumba. Hey, pole pole, rudi utembe pole pole. Guys, anyway, let's see. Wow, let's walk. Tembea. Kienda kwa nyumba ziangalie pole pole. Yeah. That's my sister at large, man. I'm telling you. What? Anyway, you see, guys, this black cafe, you have mandazi, you have chapati. You will slaughter right now, mama. When I came back, slaughter chicken. You cook brown ugali. For those who don't know the brown ugali, you will see. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
That's my African mom. Nowadays, she had a magical, like a magical face. Sometimes, like 24 hours, she wanna smile, right? So that is it, guys. So anyway, guys, let's flow the vibe. It's my birthday. Maybe you will see me on the next video. Oh, I look, they get like boom. Oh, guys, let's go. Goodbye. We have the calf here. At the same time, our calf is celebrating, eating like maize corn leaves, so they are celebrating. Beautiful one. We have avocado fruits here. At the same time, even when you have some birds around your home, look, it makes this place to be looked dirty. And in the morning, my mama swept this place and my brother. So technically, you heard it's making noise, but it's a blessing by itself. For me, if I build my house one day and I have my compound, like I'll never go like far away. I will be there. So I will plant more trees, more fruits. So at the same time, I will have a. So, okay, that's my mama. She told me to bring tomatoes and onions for the. When you slaughter the chicken or the cock, they will add more ingredients. Anyway, guys, I don't want to show you how maybe we slaughter the chicken. I know the rules and the regulation of the YouTube, so it can't allow maybe to show blood here and there. So I will show you maybe after the cock or the meat of the hen are being prepared and they're on the table. I will show you. So anyway, guys, for me, I feel so good when I have birds around my home. Man, it's creates the beauty of my home. You heard the sound? Look. Sometimes the birds have been changing sound here and there. So guys, let's do it. Apart from the birds, for me, I just love to have the good beauty. Hey, that's my cousin. All right, today I brought sodas and biscuits. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, guys, this is my cousin here. So today I brought soda. Do you know soda?
Yes.
I brought soda and biscuits, so you enjoy. So today is your brother's birthday. Angel, nakuja. Naenda kununua soda. Uko tayari kuniongesha? I'm coming.
Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
Because I'm going to carry like a huge luggage of shopping for my birthday. So you wait me here. Yeah?
Bye later.
Naleta, umeandaa maji?
Water is there for you.
Okay, that is my cousin over there. By the name Angel. So you wait me at home. I brought some gifts for you. Wait me. No. Max. No, you go, my brother. I will come. So that's my cousin. There's a day we made a video with his dad and their kids. It's a reunion sometime. Oh, guys. For me, I do it like this, man. You will see when like I bought some tomatoes and onions in Border Town or Nyabohanse. But I will take more soda. Oh guys, I'm trying to. Yeah? You go. I'll bring for you some small gifts.
I want to go and you.
You want to go with me?
Yeah.
I'm going to Border Town. I want to put more luggage of the shopping there. So there's no space for sitting. When you came back home, I'll take you
I
around.
want to kite.
No.
Sit here.
When you sit here, it's a risk. Here. Because here we have the gas. So you will go out, wait me. Give me like 20 minutes. You'll see me back home. Alright guys, that's my cousin. And his dad was a teacher by itself. So they make sure that their kids know how to speak a little bit English word. So guys, thank you so much. I'm wearing my jacket and then meet me on the way, guys. Wow, stay tuned. Well guys, so finally I'm outside and actually I'm heading to the Bohanse. After that, you will see me making shopping here and there, guys. Whoa. Let's go. But anyway guys, I promise some couple who's staying here over there. So that I'm going to surprise their kids and taking them to the hotel to eat food. But anyway guys, sorry for this. I didn't find them up to now. So like technically I keep those clothes. Actually my mama keep those clothes, so until when I get them, because these are a promise by itself, and then I'll take them in other day to the restaurant. Wow, okay. So that's how I'm outside, guys. Wow. Bro. Salingumu. Wow. So I'm outside, guys. Finally I wanna make some small shopping. It's a Christmas mood. Wow, guys. Let's go! Oh, so right now I'm almost at Nyabohanse. So for my premiere game, don't worry, you'll get this video at our exact time. We have already know our time, man. So let's go. It is what it is, guys. This maybe it's a Christmas vlogmas. Hey, like, so this is Nyabohanse. Fresh. This is Nyabohanse here. Wow. This is Nyabohanse. I need to buy soda. Man, I'm telling you. Before that, let's pause out. Good chande, ma'am. Kuna soda? Acha nikuje. Guys, I'll come and buy some sodas there. So I'm heading to the market right now. Let's buy some tomatoes and onion here. Cool. Maybe, guys, I wonder, it's a Christmas day, so nobody's here. This way. Mera, wabia watu?
Ndio watu. Mwito.
Nitaka Mama Maro?
Nani kwa hapo?
Ama yuko?
Hapo nilisha hapo.
Oh guys, we have Irish potatoes, tomatoes. Mama Maro? Hey, there's some small business here. And in fact, it's only one day, but most of the people close some. Mama nipe nyanya. Koroboke, man. Wow.
Check online. Numero mwenyewe.
Much no, man.
Follow the boy. Check this governor. Kupapa what?
I need this. Kiranga, man.
50.
This gaffer.
50 gani.
That is governor.
So guys, I came to purchase tomatoes, and after that, nieke vitunguu kwanza, man.
Ya 2020 kuseka 1010.
I need this.
Angola mwito. Kakuchekelea.
It's okay.
Numero mwenyewe.
90.
I need coriander for 10 bob. Nipe dania, mama. No, that's coriander. Don't know coriander.
I don't know Korean.
Fresh.
I know the people, but I don't know the Korean. Don't forget about your country.
Alright, guys, I'll go and pay money for the soda. Mama Maro? Yeah. Hanonda inavyo. Ndasenebe kwa tichimbite yangu ri bintu nyoli change nichi. Usungu tunoni na. Tatora mego ki Pepsi. Uki Pepsi. Tatora uki Pepsi, mama.
Aya.
Mama Maro? Tatora uki Pepsi. Bona kinda watora tibintu. 110 what? Even
110.
carrier bag is for customer.
Customer.
Right, guys. Let me buy soda, and when I get the change, you will see, guys. Enjoy my vlog. Look the kids. It's a Christmas vibe. Oh. Kwanu si kirere? Aya, that you all have. Oh, guys. So let me see the soda. Oh, they sold here shoes, man. Hey. Nice slippers. Anyway, guys. Makirisi nipe soda.
Which one?
Nipatie crate. Crate kubwa ni shingapi? Ndogo. Nikichukua mbili utani balance. Nipatie basi kubwa. Pa mama soda. She was a butchery woman, guys. Sometimes when I bought some meat, it's came from her. Walo sikre ba mukitaru tigri biasa. Aqui não ingere wasa não isire pon. Tiga pon era bantu bachi para heto. You arrange.
How can I arrange it? Get in.
Oh.
We arrange.
Maybe Stony you put 3. Ah no,
Stone.
3. Let's
Like
3.
this.
So put here Fanta.
Like this. Like this.
Don't do that. Tuko na kana sana. It's crazy, guys.
Yeah.
Ay, Fanta Bracard.
Let me put Sprite first.
I think that one is enough.
Now Sprite.
Okay.
I put black
Coke.
currant. Then Coke.
Yes. Oh. This soda, guys. Add one more Coke.
Okay. Like this.
Ama kuna rangine za soda. I think it's okay. Guys, time to make some payment. Mesema 1300.
Yes.
Guys, goes to around $14 and my family will enjoy. We have cows here. So I want to buy 2 boxes of biscuits and I'll see how this goes. Let's do it. Boy, hey! You need. Wow. I'm telling you guys, most of the shop were being closed here and there. So that being said, it's a Christmas vlogmas. But if you want to make business to run smoothly today is the day which you can sell everything. All stock. Oh. I want to try it. Guys, kids are celebrating over there. I'm heading this way anyway, guys. I want to pick my stuff, man. No one is here. You find maybe 1, 2, 3 people, and you can count people. No one is here, guys. I'm telling you. Look, it's an empty. Today it's empty day. Nobody's here. Nobody's here. Like, look, guys. You find 1, 2, 3 people. Mamaro. That's my man.
Acha kuchekacheka kama mjinga.
Hata viazi baba, sinunui.
Kama za 100 hivi.
100 yao.
Tarata 10 bob.
Tana 10.
Tatila ko sasa ko tibai 30.
Betanga 100 chonkoroki. So utaka pesa yako. Kengambo nisi. Oni kuma mara tuwe. Taja mfano.
Sasa ntonso ngo kenga.
Chonsi. Watatiga ni gamba gori nyama mama.
Nyamu ni woteranya ri nyama.
Mama tanga chenchi nkeni. Akino wati kumba na tinite mama ngo he. Story bin.
Sasa tati da ko ha. Da ko ha ko 370.
Gata chonge 37.
Sina kata 130 na konda ko 370.
Oh, because I have already taken 100.
Hey.
We have eggs here, guys. But we have full plates of eggs. I want to go enjoy Christmas, man. Lakini hautemeraka soda.
Okay. Asi kontemera vieta irufutatu. Ngugi nyama ko here harumisu.
Takachore ngere kuchesa. Labda butiko.
Nane na chese ko kyantu ni digri umanire ngatemera. Ange fuine hayo. Libone to no ni digana ngotoro ko sifoti.
Okay. We need change, guys, and then let me pick my stuff here. So my mom will slaughter our hair. Oh, guys. guys, finally I'm going home with a crate of soda, but I didn't find the biscuits, you know, so oh man. And when I'm going to border town, I'll go to look for the cake for my family. Whoa, 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 guys, look how I was smiling, man. Whoa. So that's the soda. Let's move on. Let's move on. Tata. Oh, guys. But anyway, you will see me in border town, guys. Some few minutes, so stay blessed. Right now, I'm taking this crate. Whoa! Guys, it's Merry Christmas. At the same time, it's my birthday. So like, I'm going to border town to buy the cake. Mama, your tomatoes is here. I bought my mama. Okay. I bought for you tomatoes, onion, and coriander. So make like good delicacy food. I know my mama know how to make good delicacy. So this is the soda, mama, and after I brought some biscuits here and there and cake, I'll call my cousin, my grandma, so they can take everyone one soda, 2 biscuits, 3 biscuits, you know. If one wish to eat the cake, they will eat. Alright, guys, let's enjoy. I know sodas are not good in human body, but if you take continuously every day, but this one, my friend, at once. Let's go, guys. Mama, wait. For me, I'm heading to. You put maybe there or here. Nobody can take. You see my cousin. All of them are cousins except my sister. So they wait to celebrate this moment.
Happy birthday to you. Imba kwanza.
Hey, sema
Happy to you. Imba. Imba koko.
Dear mother, dear son, happy birthday to the baby.
Happy birthday to you.
Mama, so Nyaboni will take care of this soda. Put it down here. Okay, no, it's not good. Maybe let me help you. Achana nazo tu ma. You left. Put here. Put here. I'll come see my cousin. Alright, guys, I'm going to border town to buy some biscuits, guys. Let's enjoy. Oh, guys, so finally I want to buy some biscuits and for my birthday. So actually, for I myself, I don't like sugary food, so I want to buy the biscuit for my birthday, guys. I have the bicycle right here. Let's go. This Christmas mood. It's Christmas mode, guys. So kids are moving up and down. Even at the same time they are sharing stuff. Oh! Antilikoga nimesahau. Nasahawiki kabisa. That Christmas mode, guys, I'm telling you. Hey! Go, koti yangu na yentuhan. Narudi. That's grandma for Mr. Gaki. Wow. Look at the kids. They have been praying, celebrating here and there, guys. Wow. Guys, sorry for the music. Sorry, guys. Love the music here. But I know, guys. So guys, I'm just around here. I want to buy the biscuits. right now. So for my birthday, I myself, I don't like sugary food, like to buy cake, I don't mind. So we do it in a good way, guys. Oh guys, I bought the sweets, biscuits. So I personally, that being said, I don't like cake because I'm not satisfied with the cake, guys. So let's do it. It's a bright day, man. This is your hands at large. Wow. Look at the side. Kids are enjoying. Nenda. Teacher. Samana mkuja mnyo sote. Ndio tuende mtarudi mpige.
Wape mia wamesema.
Sasa si ni wa nyumbani wape mia. Si watakula hizi. Guys, I have kids for my neighbor. So we loaded here. Njoo nikuoneshe nishikie hii. Ukipanda unipe. So this is my neighbors, so they want to celebrate, guys. One on one. Hey. Guys, so finally I'm just over here. And this kid, I met them in Yabuhansi, so we found the rest of them going down. So I'm calling them to join as a squad, and they will come and celebrate with my sister. At the same time, guys, I'll celebrate my birthday, so in advance. So I don't like to have cake. I don't mind cake, I personally. So there will be like these sweets, biscuit. I have sodas. So other company are at the back. Mwasubirie. Kimbi waita dad. Mama wajafika. So yeah, I will celebrate with my kid, with my brothers and sisters, and also as my neighbor's kid. They will enjoy. So like, I love it, man. I love it. For sure, I love it. So let's go home. I've already delivered the sodas and all stuff, man. Let's. Wanakuja? Eh? Aya nyenjoni. So let's go. Guys, happy birthday to me, and in advance I'll celebrate. You have already changed? Guys, my sister, she was very crazy. Look. I will celebrate today. No. You'll get later. So here we have sweets, a biscuit, have soda and everything.
Hey, your sodas are not like us for Tanzania. Us is not flat.
Guys, I know for the kids can't allowed, but this is my part of my family. So I wanna show them. And over here. Okay, Coke. Buyori. Akwaicha. Oh. So guys, we have the kids outside, and let us kiss. I need to wash my hand, guys. To the boxes. So guys, that's my sister over there. Oh, fixing what? Let's see, guys, the modes. That's my sister. And to give my grandma soda. Hey. Hi. Well, kila mtu achukue soda mwenye anataka. Kila mtu achukue. Mbuya. Yeah. Kila mtu achukue soda. Tachu muhimu. Kila mtu na imuki soda ni chincheru. Eh.
Ingechukua hii.
Haya, tachu. Kila mtu amechukua yake. Haya, songeni sasa. Songeni. Simechukua kila mtu. Chukua yenye unataka.
Let's
No, one. We take only one.
Of course.
Yes.
Kuna inaongezea.
Kila nachukua moja utoke. Nenda basi huko.
Mimi nafungua nyabu.
Hera kwasa chidojuba. Hera chidojuba basi. Buita. Hera chido dabikwa. Tahira. Oh guys. Mama tapa happy birthday. Bisuku tistini ni byaruvuko.
Unachofanya. Nitamwagia shamba. Leta nifungulie.
Mama tamo happy birthday.
Uende shuleni wewe.
Mama give everybody 60 more biscuits. And yeah, tu mna enjoy. Take one. Nani?
This boy.
Benson.
Bado nara homereso.
Umepeleka wapi? Nikigui, nikengo ngekirara.
Anta mkeso. Akini muri ngichinchu. Anta ukoru nibyo. Temkeso da.
Tukomere. Ono, temkomere soda. Ndakumere soda.
Temkeso.
Ndakumere soda.
Temkeso.
Ni bora kirara.
Guys, no pouring water. Me I'm doing local. Temke.
Clara ndo yako.
Panga siku chimoka.
Ni ya tapa happy birthday.
Ama watoto.
Hata hanzi na rekondo. Sakote.
Basi sisi chukue soda.
Njoo basi.
Itabi enjo. Mukumiriana. Yana ni wangu kumera. Mwana kwenyu mpaka ngomera.
Abdu unatamaje sware sati ende tia kwanza. Nini document mwana.
Nini document kwa watu mani ngomera.
Tera sati tiga.
Arujiku document.
Alright. Mama tahaba ntusuti very pale. Usidi kuchuguri. Nataka kila mtu. Maana atacha tinchu. Guys, to be honest, my family say they wanna pour me water. That's the reason why I changed the clothes, guys. But let's see the reaction. Ukimaliza biskuti utachukua.
Ni kamera.
Dahadeka. Akini chinchupa mundi.
Uncle,
Go on, Mom will add you. Go take another one.
Unachofanya.
Beni chukua soda kutoa hapo.
Beni kuweke. Narakure. Beni kuweke. Kaka nimekumagikia bahati mbaya.
Marabi.
Kwa biskuti.
Enduka huko basi.
Kamera so hawatakuona kumwagia kwa maji. Kwa huyo kamera.
Antibana kweli.
Ituke sana shida. Swali kosira. Ndo wako ridri tuma. Naene hebadi. Ayora sasa toa nikulitachi leo.
Wata homega poa.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday baka kirao wenyu.
Guys, we done local. We done local.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mama Angel. Wewe mfanyie ona ndio anapokimbia. Aya. Auda hapo. Bagi tapo po soda maka kirara isabira happy birthday.
Guys.
Aya nyafanya ndio yanakimbia kwa
In advance. Enjo chukua soda. Mas peleke enjo soda.
Tena kuja kuchukua.
Analeta
maji.
Okay.
Analeta maji ndachukua. Hata nitakanyota nitara kukomea.
Sasa hizi zimebaki za wenyewe. Guys, we done local.
Amemwagiwa ndugu yake kumbe alikuwa amesimama pembeni.
We done local, guys. No competition. Very nice. We done local, guys. Don't mind.
Ndio ulete maji. Mtaletea baba mdogo maji.
Maibu suti mbi. Na mama enjo.
Mmuherea. Leta maji. Tena nani mbili.
Wewe chukua tatu. Wewe chukua tatu.
Chukua biskuti ingine.
Ale kabela. Wale kabela. Enough, guys. I'm okay. Enjo chukua soda. Ona biskuti. Chukua soda. It's a Christmas day, guys. Hey! Oh, guys. Look. Nimbo yani. Max, chukua biskuti bura.
Chukua. Hivi ziko hapo mure.
Enjo soda yako iko hapo, chukua. Ushachukua? Aye. Guys, for me, I'm just okay. Wangotora bano kubusko munda bisire. Yamutora bibere. Wangu itabire mikwabe bane bataranyorohira nyumba.
Yakore mali.
Max, chukua biskuti huko. Zimeisha? Poleni. Tere moja nitaongeza zingine.
Wacha nikuongeze.
Time to give and sweet, guys. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I'm clean right now. No worry. Mama, what about tano? Mama, hakira muntu. Hata ine. It's a Christmas mood, guys. At the same time, it's my birthday. No cake. It's my own principle, guys. Hakira ari pipi, mama. Kana manku. Ogere nani mwana yangi vile. Tamuti kuona. Hizo zimekutosha kama mfukoni. Lakini chupa mrudishe. Guys, thank you so much. Oh. Anyway. I need to take a shower, guys. Oh. Guys, thank you so much. At the same time, we have the birds here. So, technical guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I want to end my video here by saying, guys, thank you so much. In good way, but more amazing videos coming from this, and toward, like, I will join the rest of the video, guys. So stay blessed, man. So it's morning, guys. I'm supposed to arrange my house, although it's clean, but I want to do well organized at the same time. Let me go outside and see what's going on. Wow. Bruno, stop it. My puppy don't like people. Stop it. What's up? What's going on? Wow. Stop it. You eat me. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, my mama is cooking chapati here. You can see right there. On us, like on using firewood and pan. I have chapati here, guys. Wow. Mama, she have already baked chapati, guys. I'm telling you.
Watching.
Look, my mama. That's my cousin, and we reunited with my cousin like 20 years ago. But with my uncle, actually. Say hello.
Hello.
You're my cousin. That's how my mama spin chapati here. Yeah. Guys. Oh. Stop. You eat later. See, guys. Let's celebrate together, guys. After this, you see my sister like how she wear a nice clothes. Say hello. Why do you yawning? You didn't eat food yesterday night? Rikura?
Yeah.
Why do you yawning? Guys, this is a random video. So actually it's my birthday. At the same time maybe when somebody doesn't have food. So today I will give one-on-one. Wow, 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 wow. Chapati? Do you like chapati?
Yes.
Oh, my sister likes chapati. Right. Mama, you just spin chapati.
Yeah.
At the same time, guys, I brought some biscuits and soda. No cake today. What's up?
Oh, happy birthday. Me hujan taarifu ni happy birthday hata yako ambaye hata I was preparing. I can prepare even water
You come.
to boil you.
Today people have been prepared to pour me water.
Hey,
Right.
imagine guys, I have 2 packets of water here. Like, go to Hello Baby.
Okay. So guys, that being said, I'm thinking to have the cake. But anyway, guys, you'll see. You'll see, guys, later. You know. I supposed to arrange myself earlier because sometime, meanwhile, in on time, people will be here celebrating here and there. And actually, guys, I love it. I love it, man. So my friend is taking my baby outside. Wow. So let me get inside, guys. And I want to rush to Nyabohanse to do something special here and there. And actually after that, I'll come to make some arrangement here and there. So for me, I want to say, guys, thank you so much for the love and support that you show me. And actually, guys, you really made a huge model to my life. I'm telling you, for my entire life, more success is coming. And actually today, I want to welcome my neighbors, my brothers and sisters to enjoy, to celebrate my birthday, guys, you know. Like, even that brother who taking my motorbike outside, I'm going to surprise with him, like, small shopping for the Christmas. For me, like, it's really touched me, and I have pure clean hearts, you know. So, like, I give him 2 kg of flour for making chapati and cooking oil. So man, for me, when I'm blessed, I bless each other. Why not? At the same time, you will see on today's videos what I'm going to mean. But guys, sorry, my introduction of my video will be start later, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, I'm telling you, it's Merry Christmas. Look. Hey, say hello. Hello. Where's your new clothes? Not yet. So sorry.
Okay, so guys, yesterday I bought my brother some new clothes, and which I really appreciate for the love and support, because for me I'm just okay the way I am. So for you, I'll get to you, brother. Then I'm going
Okay, guys, this is breakfast.
Guys, we just celebrate early in the morning, and for meanwhile we celebrate my birthday, guys. So just like random.
Celebrating birthday of Jesus, same birthday of.
Hello, Bible official, guys. My name is Emmanuel. As you know, guys, in the Bible, Emmanuel means what?
God with us.
God with us. So
Ready? We are with us.
I'm with you.
My baby.
Yeah. Wait, look and wash that plate. Let me give the dog chapat. Why? Mama, bring one chapat. I want to give my dog. At the same time, my Bruno will celebrate. So why not? Bring one chapat, man. Yeah. Bruno, you celebrate my birthday. You eat. You eat. Slowly, Bruno. You eat. You eat. Right. And I'll put on the other side. Bruno, come this way. Right. Stop it. It's there. Right. For me, I put it inside here, but my puppy take outside. This is the plate for my puppy. Eat slowly. Enjoy. I put inside here. Why don't you like inside? Put here. It's a crazy dog. Oh, guys. I'll check you later. Take the key. So guys, my brother being on control. So guys, we have birds here. They are celebrating. We have birds here. Look, we have birds here. They are celebrating, man. Look on the other side. But anyway, guys, I'm going to make like my brother visited me in the morning here, and he told me he doesn't have anything to eat. Let me give them food, guys. So why not? I have free hearts to help each other, guys. They have been supportive by watching my videos, and may God bless me. Let's bless each other, guys. So right now, I will make some small little shopping for him. I have to tell. Excuse. It's not what you say. Right, that's my brother. Okay. Let's go. So guys, happy birthday in advance. I left home. Right now I'm heading to Japan's. At the same time I want to charge my phone and my power bank. So in a good way. We're on motorbike, guys. We're heading to Japan's right now. Much love, much greeting. today's today to celebrate my birthday. For my entire world, like people celebrate Christmas at the same time. It's mixable. It's my birthday. Oh. Says the road is bad here. Look guys. But anyway, where we came from. Oh my god. This is a Christmas mood. My brother, you want to chat? Yeah, like guys, today is not a normal day like going to church. But it's a Christmas day. So if you wish you can go to church. If you don't wish you can go to like celebrate in another place. But I think on Sunday is a normal church. Sunday and Saturday. I was looking for this guy over there. I didn't find him. But anytime when I meet them, I'll give their kids clothes that being said every day, and I'll take them to the restaurant. That's my promise. I don't know where they're heading to, so for me I'm trying to look for them like 3 days. A nice house. Hey. Let's move on, guys. Just float by. Now today my brother will take control. The church here. That's how people train some car. I have the school here for my brother and sister where they land here. Wow. Let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about on today's videos. This video starts from my home up to here. It's an continuation video. So probably you'll see how like I'm changing people's life here, maybe in terms of basic needs. And technically we appreciate guys. Now where we are, we have Pansa Market. After a few minutes you will see me guys in the market. Let's go guys and see what's going on far and see what's going on in today's video. Wow. Happy man, blessed man in this world. Why not elevate? I'm a happy man, blessed man. Oh, both two things. Right now I hope everybody is celebrating. See? So this is Yamaha's market. Yeah. People are outside. They sold clothes there. Whoa! I see you. You have soda. Right. People are buying meat here. You go to church.
guys, we have reached here.
So at the same time guys, I want to give my neighbor some Christmas
bunch of the bike here.
Alright.
Sit.
Okay. Wait, Juma. Batia mimi unga.
Auntie. Mambo. Naendelea.
Jamani, nitaongea nichoke. Kwani leo umepeleka akili wapi? Kawaida.
So we are on this local shop here. There are some small groceries. No, ntareko du mama akiwa.
Hi my YouTuber, I tag Marwa.
Pia matani mwana, niko serious, hata jokes. Ama wote inswa.
Anakula na shiba.
Ambo yere tana kubi. Ndakula ngori Christmas kena. YouTube. Atiga mara mangana kuna. Juma. Give her some sugar. You ni 50 mama.
Honko hema.
30 na 20.
Mratato hero pahere kama iko 50.
Kila moja ya 80.
Ah, 50 wewe 80. Sawa mama wasilisha. Haya. Haya mama santi. Tasbati. Mratango bosi.
Ya ngapi?
Sehemu kubwa. Tasikana mko. Basi bora boso kono sasa.
This is the unga.
Amaguta. Ikikule mugutiri.
Mafuta lita ni 280. Nusu 140.
Asema idumokero hai, nipe maziwa paketi 2.
Marabi misukari 50.
Hana ba YouTube baba hana mpaka tu sharp. Unamwaga hela. Sukari 50.
Pima sukari 50. Tanga mara maguta
Chukua kabisa hii basi. Maana ya 50 haiko yenye mshikana. Chukua.
Kana jume yangu.
Tatibobu ya tabu. Tukumora kwa hapa tatibobu.
Sugar. Haya. Tupatie nini mafuta? Tupimie mafuta. Hatuna chupa. Sijui kama una chupa.
We have it. Ma. We bro. Nipele hiyo gunia hiyo. Hiyo ya juu. Hiyo. Ya juu. Yuko na vichupa ndani.
I'm making shopping for my brother.
Jaza humu.
Saidia kabianga.
Takata kuelewana.
So guys, I bought for my brother so they can enjoy. Una mchere? Munu mchere
Yeah,
kai?
I have the mchele.
Nunu mchere?
Mchele. Nimenunua jana ya so.
Atika na anu mchere wa mwana.
1 kg.
Ana mchere tuweke tu vitu, ana mchere kwa nyumba.
You let me down.
No.
That is good.
You cannot say yeah, you have it. You can take all it. You know all the dukas.
Wow.
Pereka in the home. I Thanksgiving for you.
Yeah, this is it.
Yeah.
Okay, you go and enjoy Christmas, bro. Tana be change. Usikita
I
ni.
have it. Your 400 I give you and 20 more.
Haya sana. Haya. You go.
Yeah.
Celebrate. All right. So,
What I say is thanks.
okay.
Thanks
Okay.
for your surprise
Okay.
of today.
Okay. You and your family go and enjoy.
Yeah. You know, it's not easy someone to make you like this.
So, I want you to escort me. I escort you to your home, and then after that, I have one of our grandma far away. So I want to give him like meat, bread, and sugar. Try to them keep it. Oh, guys. Yeah. Right now, sorry guys, that's my hair, and I want to buy meat right there. And people are being congested here and there. Chat, bad. Hi, I'm waiting right there, guys, and I'm buying the meat. I want to surprise one of our grandma, so it's far from here. There. So, shika. Guys, all motorbike that you see here, people have been buying meat everywhere. You see? So right now I'm heading to USA, guys. At the same time I celebrate my birthday, and sometimes I support people for Christmas Day. Why not? You see one of my brother who have been supporting him today, like a small shopping for $7. At the same time I make a shopping for around $6 from our grandma. So he requested me some to buy for him, like meat and all stuff. So you'll see, guys. I buy for him meat, milk and sugar, or milk and bread, whichever the case. Let's see. Right there. So there's a butcher right there, guys. And maybe at the back, I think over there. Right, the tuk-tuk, okay, guys. Tangi change. Inyami kiro hoge. Inyami kiro hoge.
Tige no.
Utunana utiki binto mauge hano tokenye maka nyango ge. Turingeti kawanu. So, oh guys. Oh guys, let me buy maybe bread. Whatever. Odi. Mkate huko. Maziwa. Maziwa shingaji. Hi. Mkate, that's a small kid. Yeah. Tari mo bali kidogo. Tingisa sauti. Haya, nipe mkate. Super rough. Mdogo. Maziwa shingapi? Hano hati migonire ngachirapi? Aya, Oh guys, you see where I'm heading to. But this is the part of my video. Actually, I made some shopping for. Aya, nirenga chiku tamai. Tanga mbigi suko. Chacha, endu toire nyama kilo. Ulete, achana, utangu ati chiko.
Nileta kipepsi uko naye?
Ay,
Tarenti change. Toho mwesekeo.
tana yo. Tanto rabio mo.
Tata.
Mdada
Oh,
kwa.
dada nisaidie change mama. Dakika moja tu.
So guys, you will see this one here. I bought bread and milk at the same time 1 kg of meat. So I would deliver. Tanto rambi. Coke. You will say, guys, don't mind my hair, guys. Don't mind. That's my hair. So I'll take for the salonist. Today is my birthday, man. Oh, it's quite morning here. Okay. Ini nyama.
This meat.
Okay, put inside. You wanna be under toro, right? Okay, take a motorbike. Guys, let me buy tomatoes. I think right here. Wait, Mura. When nani? Fufu. Mama mendo wapi wanyanya? Eh. Acha nichukue nyanya huko nje twende. So guys, let me buy tomatoes. Now. Yeah, I'm heading this way. I need to buy tomatoes. Wow, tomatoes, guys. Right now here. Yeah. Nipe nyanya. Za 20. I don't know. I need tomatoes, guys, right here. Aya, toro twine. Atena na what time. Neka sanzi meiva. Wow, guys. I bought tomatoes here. Tara bodo kada wage. Pada kedau. Dah mau dibitok kyare. Tamu handa mah.
Ya, bitoke bana ke mana ai? Tani ko mo ko rahare nan.
Tahu mu koren dama.
Te chocolate ya ten.
Hello. It's time to go, guys. Let me take control. Guys, sorry, sometimes I face some challenges here and there. Music everywhere. Music everywhere. Let's go. Oh, it's time to go. Man, for me, I'm so grateful. Let's go. It's time to go, guys. Guys, this is the part of my video that I've been saying. And far from here, guys. Somewhere village. We left the bands right now, guys. Woo. No hiking about band. Kato mo, tutawan to raro. Who I'm going to surprise her, guys. Like, I went there last year and he said, okay, one day he visited me. I said, alright, I'll wish you a Christmas. Man, I'm so grateful. Let's go, guys. Like, I wanna say like 1.5 week. So what look, guys, the road how it looks like. Wow, guys, please advise on the comment section. Hey, kids are going to church. Family kid. Wow. If you remember this place, this road goes to Prince Kasagati, guys. Guys, they were supporting me by watching my video. In terms of clothes and shit, not money. Can't tolerate it by giving clothes. Charity work, but I will never do it sometime. Like, for example, if one people ask you to give him food or her, guys, let's give them food, not money. Even me, I'm trying to make my own money, guys. So that's what I'm saying. That's how we go. That's how we go, Maybe not make sense. It's a deeply village, guys. Yeah. The road. Yeah, the road is bad, but on this video you'll get at the end of the video. But my starting video, it will be my birthday. Guys, advise me at the same time. Maybe we go live, or it depends. It depends how things they are. It depends. And technically, man, I'm telling you, this is a deeply village. No idea on this. I think last time I was here, but I met one of our grandma. So no relationship, no relative, no anything. But he greeted me, he asked me, just buy for me meat. You know those old grandma. I said, okay, I will surprise you on Christmas Day. So she accepts my advice. And for me, I made it, guys. Oh. Don't ask me to be wrong. I'm heading to Nyangoge. The place known as Nyangoge. Again there. Guys, sorry for the windy. I have my brother here.
Yeah, guys. We are here.
At the same time, I said, you see that video? So he was a nice guy. When I have my work at home, he helped me here and there. And I paid him money. And I said, you know what? Just give me for Christmas. And for me, guys, I invite you for my birthday, and also I wish you Merry Christmas in advance and Happy New Year. Look where I'm heading to, guys. It's deep village. Guys, right now I'm not in my village. I see the bicycle rider here and there. Okay. When you reach on that corner, you turn right. You turn right, Igor. Temeho. Let's go. Guys, comment on the comment section. These are deeply village. So we're heading this way. Okay, take control. I'm telling you, man, that deeply I want to hit it. So we flow it by. Oh, man. So I want to pause my video. I don't want the video to be long, right? So guys, finally I'm back here with my brother. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Guys, I missed one of my grandma. Check for my haven't to buy it. Mama, I cannot correct it. This meat, guys, I don't want to show meat. Wow, guys. Bread. Bread. Tomato. Ademabere. Oh, thank you, guys.
Umona atala tena. Ujura so yoko kila ugati teko kota yati.
Ay koko aya.
Ata mukawache ache kuiba. Kada mugini bana.
Guys, I'm so blessed. I get blessed. Akino mugate ntakore. Go no go. Time we chahinyani. Oh guys, we've been given tea. Finally, guys, after visiting that grandma, I'm heading home. So actually, I'm going to wash my hair, and after that I'm going home to prepare myself for my birthday, guys. And these are Vlogmas 2024. Oh guys.
Tinder.
Hey. There's some thorns fence catch my hand, but okay, let's go. It's good. Guys, end the year of 2024, and this is the vlog for Christmas. Vlogmas. Wow. Heading home. This one you can go up to Migori, guys. That road that way. What's a good day, guys? I will make sure if I promise people that I'm giving food, and when the time reach, I'll give people food. And at the same time, when my family puts something on the table, and also my neighbor puts something on the table, why not? Guys, this is Nation.
Yeah, Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas.
So we are here, guys.
Today is my party day.
Okay, man.
You can
you
come.
have small party.
Yeah, you come.
Okay. Which time?
Anytime.
Anytime.
From now on to buy soda as I can, and maybe no cake.
Okay.
Because
Why?
cake it has sugary food. I will say.
No, man. Party without a cake.
It's not a party.
It's not-
Okay,
Guys.
I'll buy a cake.
Yeah, just buy a cake. We come, we cut, even if it's one.
Okay. For me,
even if it's small.
If
small,
you find your friend like a YouTuber with your friend,
Okay.
just invite him just as a group.
Have you posted that in group?
May I post like on my YouTube? I posted yesterday.
Okay.
You come.
I saw it, but I like the picture. you put the picture and then you said, guys, tomorrow is my party.
Yeah, it's today.
Guys, you know what? Happy birthday, bro. And I know everything is going to be okay. Let me go and shower. You know, I'm
You
not-
shower.
and then-
Tell your friend. Even
Okay.
even when you find the guy here, tell him everybody.
Okay.
Because like today's a Christmas. Every home, one after the other, they are cooking food, special food.
Very true. So guys, we are here. Just chill up. You know, this is Nation, guys, and even me, I came here to take some meat. Now I want to go and roast some meat and everything. Because now we have, you know, now to enjoy. You know, yeah. It's a nice moment. You know, guys, this is a nice moment, especially in Africa. Like let me say in Africa, you know, it's a nice moment.
Hey,
Yes.
you work with your power bank
Power bank and everything. You know, nowadays the
with your phone.
Yeah.
Hey guys, you must phone. Man, I'm telling you, for me sure, soon I'll have this phone. Hey, you are a man. Charging,
yeah.
charging.
This is
Even a
gift.
GoPro you charge.
But my GoPro have a problem.
Oh.
Of the battery, but I'm trying to organize the battery. This is a gift, bro, from someone from. It's a gift, man.
Samsung S20.
23 Ultra.
23 Ultra.
Yeah.
23 Ultra.
Yeah.
You enjoy, but I make sure you come at my birthday.
I'm coming, bro.
Tell even Gake, when you find Gake, you invite him.
But-
everyone.
Okay. But you know, Gake will feel bad if I will invite him and you have his number.
I didn't.
Not
I called him in the morning. He didn't receive my call.
Okay.
But let's do it this way. If I find anybody, I will invite.
Okay.
You come.
Okay.
Hey, nice time, bro.
Nice time, man.
I want to make my hair. Oh, hey, look, Christmas mood.
Yes, yes. Hi guys, Merry Christmas to all of you. We really thank you for supporting us by watching videos. Ken V254 here. After watching this video, go check me out. So yes, Ken V254. Yes, I'm here guys to borrow, to rent your bike.
Where? You want to go where?
I want to run home.
Okay, as I make my hair there, give them key. Ama kupeleke unaona?
Yes, let's go with the game.
Tayambe mchetu. Eh.
I
Okay.
want to take those things home.
Huyu aendi kukaa, mnaenda murudi. Wakati nikinani nywele uje twende. I want to wash my hair. You take him. Guys, we shall meet on the next vlog. Guys, I'm heading back home with my brother. So after making for him some small shopping. Actually, on my bike, I lost. Look. Shopping. Yes. Hey, man, look. Oh. But it's a beautiful day. Which God have done. What's what you want to check out? direct sa nana sa sa da kudimento digangolo chikireti bere dikali sikana ba to bayo so ma dei pobere but today ya guys, you come to my party, you enjoy yourself. We drink soft drink, but no alcoholic. Hey, whoop! Look guys, that's how my motorbike goes. But it's a crazy situation, guys. Oh guys, so we reduce one person at my back, so right now we go. So down to like complicated issues. So as long as I bought something for somebody, I deliver. Wow, Christmas mood. Be careful. Wow. Last time the funeral I've been there. Right there. Young kid who have been the house who have been here all home. So right now I'm remaining with my brother who visited me in the morning. Be careful. You have the napier grass here. So he visited me in the morning. I make for him small shopping for Christmas. Small amount that I have, I share with my neighbor, guys. So why not? I don't want to become more jealous, guys. His home is just here. Hey. Small roundery. Hey, this is your home. Yeah. Guys, this is home. So everything are inside here. Hey.
Okay. Welcome, baby.
Guys, welcome again here.
Yeah. Body.
Hey. Tavor que marvito virou agora, tá tudo que dá topo cora. Vrato ver canissa.
So guys, this is what we bought. Yeah.
And cooking oil.
Yeah. This is it.
Yeah. And also sugar.
Yeah.
You enjoy Christmas, guys. Thank you so much. Nice time. Guys, imagine from here to his home, and my home is another side. From here to my home, it's just like 800 meters apart from here, guys. So he was my neighbor. Wow. So I'm going to make my hair. Maybe you'll see how I'm making my hair. After that, I will visit one of my grandma, guys, on my video, guys. There's a mirror here, and I want to wash my hair, guys. It's a long time, like 1 month. So I'm supposed to wash my hair for the first time on this sunlist. Oh. Now this, guys. Hey, don't touch. You don't need to care. Hey, say hello.
Say my hi.
But my sister, she was very, very jovial. Say hello. Say hello. Actually, maybe she fear camera. Say hello.
Hi.
And her mom, she want to make for me hair, guys. Like washing my hair, serious. Oh, I was like scratching my head. I realized maybe my hair have some like dandruff or dirty. Look, can you watch it? Party day boy. Makero mutunu chogi. Chiringe baro chinyo chibahamu. Kanaba. And we boil water here, guys. This is a heater. You see over there. And it's very, very risky, guys. You know, there's a day, guys, but sorry today to say this. There's a day a heater killed my cousin. Serious. Day of 2024, I'm telling you. And when I see the heater, man, let me go out far away. Tango ya Musa. Say hello.
Hi guys, my name is Jackie. This is my salon.
Over here.
Yeah.
You have only this stock.
Yeah.
Guys, she's really trying the best, guys. You know, they have like small stock here. And when you watch my videos from my previous video, my sister was making the hair here. So I myself want to wash my hair. And guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. And I like to promote my neighbor here and there, guys. Like for now, let me sit, guys, and wait until water to be boiled, and then I wash my head on the other side with shampoo. I will show you guys. Oh. But soon I'll back to my normal hair, guys. I'll go to make another style. For now, let me use like that way, guys. Guys, I'm looking somewhere I can place my camera. Maybe this way. As I wash my... Oh my god. Sometimes it's hectic, guys. I'm telling you. So maybe here. What time you get to that one? Here, guys. I have only hit the shows like that's it.
Amisha. Iko sawa mama?
Haiko sawa.
Nini rimcha? Kwa nini?
Dai. Jackie. Can I answer for something? Oh, guys. Senanga sorry, tapi aja kin sorry cagi tienda. Nanti aku cakap kare ni.
Bakando sikulan. Mana matungu?
Ya? Dan betul.
Kita ni bawa ni yang.
Cukup.
Aja nenda kununua vichenga che. Viere.
Guys, that's how like I was being washed, and then I use the soft, clean towel. Right. Whew. Oh, guys, I'm around at home, and after making shopping here and there. Oh, look. Hey. New shoes. Oh my god. Hey. Christmas vibe. That's my mama. Pure white. That's my cousin. I'll bring soda and some biscuit. We celebrate today.
I'm feeling bad today.
Why?
Stomach is paining.
Oh, so you don't want to eat?
I am full.
You are full. So when I brought soda, you enjoy. You enjoy.
Maybe by later.
Yeah, later. I put outside here. Everybody will celebrate. Queen of the world. High five. No. High five. No. Maybe I will squat down. High five. No. High five. Yeah, like that. I'm telling you guys, I have my cousin around. Babe, Leo msiende sehemu. Taleta soda na biscuit mwenjo. Unaitwa nani?
Benson.
Guys, in our culture, his name is Ben. The same to my brother. So they share the common name. And you?
My name? Martin.
Martin.
Yes.
No Ben in your family? I'm not Ben.
Kwa familia yetu?
Okay. So guys, it's time to here and there. So actually, it's noon time. So I'm supposed to organize myself right now. Anyway guys, thank you so much. So right now my family have been enjoying my party day. So guys, thank you so much by supporting me until the end, and I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, day of 2025 guys. We shall meet in tomorrow on the next video guys. I'm so grateful. So this is my house and I hope everybody will enjoy guys. So guys, stay blessed. Much greetings from here guys. Bye guys.